The Heatlie solid plate barbecues were originally made to hire and catering company specifications. By public demand, the Heatlie barbecue is now available to the retail barbecue industry. Its strength and reliability are the hallmark of this truly great Australian barbecue. When you see the Entertainer series, you'll quickly discover the unique blend of design and function. The side table acts as a side server. It is detachable and may be placed at either end of the barbecue. All Heatlie barbecues come complete with mobile kit, steel wheels and fold-away bottle bracket. The warming drawer has set a new standard in barbecue manufacture. This exceptional accessory allows you to maintain the serving temperature of previously barbecued foods. This allows small and large barbecue plates unlimited flexibility in barbecue entertainment. Heatlie continues to develop quality products within its range, creating new dimensions in home outdoor living.